Hi, dude. What's up? What's up?
Oh my gosh. I want you guys to see what you look like, okay? Mike, especially you, because after tonight you don't need to play this game anymore.
I know. We're supposed to touch our feet, dude. Get with it.
Good job, babe. Look at you.
Oh, yeah. Whatever.
Oh my gosh. I feel so bad for your child. She's not gonna be able to dance at all.
I can't do that.
Neither can Tony. Look at this. Babe, we're doing pretty good. Oh my god, you look like my uncle dancing, and that's the worst. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. So I'm just letting you guys know, when Tony and I get married and you want to dance with the bride, no. It's not gonna happen. Renee, I will pick you any day. You too, Riley.
I'm doing something totally.
Oh.
Take shit right now.
Oh my gosh, is this song almost over?
I wish.
Me too, for your sake. This is hilarious.
I mean, like,
This shit is going on Facebook, and I'm tagging you.
Awesome. Out of here.